Artificial intelligence, it's everywhere. From our phones to our cars, it's shaping the world around us. We're promised a future of self-driving cars and robot assistants. It sounds amazing. But there's a catch. Sometimes AI doesn't quite get it right. It's like that friend who always says the wrong thing at the wrong time. We call this artificial stupidity. Remember those old movies with clunky robots that always malfunctioned? Artificial stupidity is kind of like that. It's when machines mess up, make bad decisions, or just act plain dumb. Sure, we laugh, but it's a big deal. This isn't about robots tripping on banana peels. It's about the very real consequences of AI errors. Think about it. Self-driving cars are cool, but what happens when they misinterpret the stop sign? Not so cool anymore, and it's not just about safety. Artificial stupidity can lead to unfair treatment, like when algorithms discriminate against certain groups of people. This isn't about demonizing AI, it's about understanding its limitations. It's about making sure that when machines make mistakes, and they will, we're prepared to deal with the fallout. Buckle up, folks, because we're diving deep into the world of artificial stupidity. So why does AI go rogue? Well, imagine teaching a kid to ride a bike by showing them pictures of bananas. That's essentially what happens when we train AI on bad data. If the information is biased, incomplete, or just plain wrong, the AI will be, well, stupid. And just like that kid, AI can be a little too eager to please. It might learn to ace a specific task, but fail miserably when faced with something new. This is called overfitting. On the flip side, AI can be a bit of an underachiever, failing to grasp the bigger picture. This underfitting leaves AI clueless in real-world situations. Now, let's talk examples. Remember Tay, Microsoft's chatbot? It was supposed to learn from Twitter users. Sounds innocent enough, right? Wrong. Within hours, Tay was tweeting racist and offensive remarks. Turns out the internet can be a terrible influence even on AI. Then there are self-driving cars that they're marketed as the future of transportation, but they've had their share of mishaps. Some have struggled to recognize stop signs, leading to accidents. It seems even AI can't resist the allure of a rolling stop. And let's not forget about social media. Those algorithms that decide what you see in your feed, they're not immune to stupidity either. They can flag harmless posts as inappropriate while letting truly offensive content slip through the cracks. It's like they've got their priorities completely backward. Okay, so AI messes up sometimes. Big deal, right? Wrong again. This isn't just about a few awkward tweets or a robot dog that walks into walls. Artificial stupidity has real-world consequences. Remember those self-driving car accidents? They highlight a crucial issue: safety. When AI controls something as important as a vehicle, mistakes can be deadly. And it's not just about cars. Imagine AI making a wrong call in healthcare or finance. The stakes are incredibly high. Then there's the issue of trust. Every time AI screws up, it chips away at our confidence in the technology. Who wants to trust a self-driving car that can't tell a stop sign from a slice of pizza? This erosion of trust can hinder the adoption of AI, even in areas where it could be beneficial. But perhaps the most worrying aspect of artificial stupidity is its potential for bias. AI systems are often trained on data that reflects existing societal biases. This means AI can perpetuate and even amplify these biases, leading to unfair or discriminatory outcomes. Imagine an AI system used for hiring that consistently overlooks qualified candidates from certain backgrounds. That's a recipe for disaster. Artificial stupidity isn't just a technical glitch, it's a societal issue. It's about making sure that AI is used responsibly and ethically. It's about understanding the limitations of this powerful technology and mitigating the risks. All right, so we've established that artificial stupidity is a problem. But what can we do about it? The good news is that we're not powerless against this digital dumbness. First things first, we need to feed our AI a healthier diet. That means training it on data that is diverse, unbiased, and representative of the real world. It's like teaching that kid to ride a bike with actual bikes, not just pictures of fruit. Next, we need to make sure our AI isn't a black box. We need to understand how it makes decisions so we can identify and correct errors. This transparency is crucial for building trust and accountability. And just like any student, AI needs constant learning and improvement. We need to monitor its performance, identify weaknesses, and update its algorithms accordingly. It's like giving our AI a crash course in common sense. But perhaps the most important step is recognizing that AI isn't a solo act. We need to foster collaboration between humans and machines, combining the strengths of both. AI can handle the data crunching, while humans provide intuition, context, and ethical guidance. The truth is, artificial stupidity is an opportunity. By studying these failures, we can learn how to build better, more reliable AI systems. It's like that old saying, we learn from our mistakes. And in the world of AI, those lessons are more valuable than ever. So let's embrace the challenge of artificial stupidity. Let's work towards a future where AI is a force for good, a tool that empowers us, not endangers us. Let's make sure that the robots of the future are smart, ethical, and maybe even a little bit funny, just, not in a creepy Skynet kind of way. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with your friends. Let's spread the word about building better AI together.